everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make closed diapers. Now that I have a pattern software and I know how to use it, I will make this pattern for you and you will be able to find it in the description box. It's time to start now. Once you've got all your pieces cut, we are going to sew all around and then turn it and press it. You wanna see that? Clip the corners and turn it. And then press it. You will have to top stitch and leave some space for the rubber band. The next step is to put the rubber band inside the diapers. For that, use the safety pin. Now you have to sew the rubber band. Once you have removed all your safety pins, you can close your diapers. Finally, put all your snaps. You have to sew on the line that you have to draw on this fabric. You should end with something like that. And now you can put your rubber band inside. Once you put your rubber bands, you will have to use the two marks here and sew here. Finally, cut the excess of it. And you're done. Now it's time to attach this pocket to the diaper. The last step, the insert. The diaper is done. You've got your three parts. You can make your own closed diaper at home. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I will see you later.